issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, northwestern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, northeastern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Burns, Oregon, 9 miles southeast of Dixon, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Burns, Fairview, Lyles, Bon Aqua, Leapers Fork, and Natchez Trace at Highway 96. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest